Hello guys, welcome. And today we will speak about how to write a good paragraph or a good essay. I often see students struggling with how to write a good essay. I've already posted a video on how to write a good introduction. Please check it out. I'll link the video in the description. So these are some of my tips on how to write a good essay. Okay. I don't know if I have told you, but I scored a band 8 in writing in IELTS. I've also given TOEFL and GRE and got really good marks. So the first tip that I have for you is to indent the paragraph. What do I mean by indenting? If this is your sheet and these are the lines, indenting basically means starting your first sentence from like an inch from your margin, basically giving a kind of a gap before you write your first sentence and then you can continue. What indenting does is basically gives the reader a good kind of like view of what you will write, showcases good writing skills, more presentable writing skills, or you can, for every sentence you write, you give spacing, or so first sentence in the first line, second sentence in the third line. So what will happen in this is that your information will not be narrow, right? Will not have like squeezed up. The word will not look squeezed up, and the reader can read your essay easily. Secondly, is writing your ideas clearly. What do I mean by that? I mean that once you have chosen about what you will write, please make sure that you write your ideas in that manner only. Don't change your ideas in mid. So, for example, if you are writing that sports are good for health, and you written 5 6 lines about how sports help in physique development, how sports help in stamina, how sports help in endurance, and then in the sixth line you have to say, oh no, sports can cause injuries. What that does, it causes the reader to think that the writer does not know his ideas and he gets confused. So please make sure that you write your ideas clearly. Thirdly, use punctuation marks. Use your commas, your full stops. Just don't continue to write and write and write without using your punctuation marks. Avoid unnecessary capitalization. Some people have a habit of writing capital letters in between their sentences without any punctuation marks or full stops. So, for example, I've seen students writing something along these lines. Use punctuation marks, avoid, they will write here capital U. Please avoid these kind of mistakes. Okay? Use connectors. What are connectors? Connectors are basically bridges. So if you are writing about sports, like sports are good for health, furthermore, they can help in increasing endurance, body strength. Moreover, they help in building stamina. Something. So why is a bridge important? A bridge is important or a connector is important because it showcases that the sentence is flowing. If the sentence does not have any connectors and is stopped in, like you put your full stops, what happens, the reader thinks that there is no flow, so you need something that flows through, that acts as a bridge from one sentence to other sentence. Okay, always write the same number of words in all lines. Now this is a tip for people who have bad writing, who do not write well. So what I often say to students is that in a page, write only 5 words in one line. Okay, divide your page. So, for example, this if this is a page, right? Write only 5 words in every line. Okay, and if there is spacing, create a border so that you can squeeze down the page. Because if you try to write too many words in one line, again what will happen, your writing gets hampered, the reader is not able to identify the word that you have written, and moreover what happens is that your marks get worse, because the reader is not able to understand what you have written, so he or she will cut your marks in a second. Okay. Okay, also this tip will help you in counting the number of words that you have written, and also is helps in saving your time. This is basically for examinations such as IELTS. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment down and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button